Serene lake views from this spacious, maintenance-free villa in the Meadows. Enjoy the beautiful windows, high ceilings, and spacious rooms with natural light. Entertain your guest with this amazing open-concept floor plan with a large living area with wood-burning fireplace and dining. The Florida room is ideal for enjoying quiet mornings watching bird life. Other notable features include engineered wood flooring, updated kitchen with new stainless appliances, 2 years, Corian counters, under-cabinet lighting and tiled backsplash. The master suite offers double walk-in closets, plantation shutters and updated walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms, one with a Murphy bed and engineered wood flooring. This lovely villa is half a block to the heated community pool and close to the Meadows Country Club. The Meadows offer canopied oaks, 14 miles of walking and biking trails, 1,650 acres of open space. Levels of memberships are available. Conveniently located to the UC Mall, dining, beaches and Sarasota and Tampa airports.